This is a 2027 Adam Julite. This is the warm blood model, which means that it has a side ramp. So 2027 Julite, one thing that we've done to this trailer is make it 8 foot tall. And we've also added an additional foot in the horse area at the horses' heads. So versus the 7'6" standard, we've made this trailer 8 tall, it is 6'6" wide, and it's 15 feet on the floor. So the typical Julite is 14 feet, even on their warm blood model. On our warm blood model, we're always gonna add some footage in here to make sure that your horses can fit, your largest horses are fitting. So in this particular trailer, our 1 foot is here in the head area, which is gonna make it easy for every horse to exit through that side ramp. The Adam Julite is an aluminum trailer with a wooden floor, treated wooden floor with rubber mats. It has an aluminum frame, aluminum skin, and aluminum roof. 2 pop-up vents, sliding window between the horse area and the dressing room, bar style head divider that swings from side to side, or you can remove it if you're not interested in using that. Body divider with shoulder shield, padded breast bars and butt bars, padded sidewall, padded divider. I love these gravity latches on the Adam trailer. They're really nice because you don't lose a pin. They're just attached to the wall. They stay out of the way. The horses don't tend to mess with them. They do this special bar on the front and the back of these breast and butt bars so that when a horse is trying to push against you and you're trying to get this in, they can't push that breast or bar out of your hands. We've got 2 tie loops for each horse. We can add those anywhere there's structure in the trailer. We've got a loop here on the center post for your hay net. All of this in the center is removable, so if you needed to use this trailer as a box stall, you certainly can do that. Again, it's a treated wooden floor with rubber mats. Nice side ramp. This is not a 2+1. This is a 2 horse with a side ramp. There is not room for another horse here. You could potentially put some hay bales or a wheelbarrow here because this is a lot of space between that horse and this horse, but it is not what we consider to be a 2+1. It is not designed to haul a 3rd horse. We have 3,500-pound torsion axles with a 16-inch wheel, ST225/75R15 tires. There's going to be a matching spare inside of the dressing room. As you can see, there's a top curtain with sliding window there over the side ramp. You can travel with that open. You've got top curtains over your rear ramp, also with sliding windows. You can travel with those open. Nice rear ramp. These ramps are not heavy at all. I really appreciate that from the Adam trailer. They're not steep and they're not heavy. So I'm just gonna throw that up right here with my non-dominant hand while videoing. I've got a switch here for your interior horse area light and a switch here for your load light. So we don't forget. You've got LED running lights, LED interior lights, and that LED load light on the back. 4-foot extruded siding. The standard there is going to be 2 feet. We go ahead and do that at 4 feet here at Trailer Country LLC. Full length running boards for getting in and out of the escape door and in and out of the dressing room. We also upgraded this particular trailer to have Dalton doors. So those are a heavy duty escape and dressing room door versus the standard camper style door. Dressing room has 6 bridle hooks. Sliding window there between the horse area and the dressing room. A switch for our dressing room light. Since this trailer is so tall at 8 feet, we asked them to go ahead and put a light switch in there to turn that interior light on and off. 2 saddle racks. There's that spare tire I mentioned. We do go ahead and put a rubber mat in the dressing room. Oops, excuse me, the standard there is carpet. And we're gonna do a rubber mat. And there's that dressing room light that the switch is gonna go to. So again, this is a 2027 Adam Julite warm blood model. The warm blood means that it has a side ramp. The standard for this trailer is 7'6" tall. This particular trailer we have made 8 foot tall. So if you love the Adam Julite, it's a great value in a horse trailer. We do have quite a few models today of these in various shapes, sizes, and colors. Again, this is the 2027 Adam Julite warm blood at 8 foot tall, available at Trailer Country LLC in Carrollton, Virginia.